tariffs will not really affect some drugs. For example, saline is made domestically with inputs likely not to be sourced from abroad. But if a drug is primarily made in foreign countries, there will be upward price pressure because there is not enough domestic capacity. But here's a problem. Manufacturers, both domestic and foreign, are limited by various regulations in how much they can increase price. These price cap regulations create a different challenge for branded drugs and generic drugs. Branded drugs are protected by patents and can carry high profit margins. In these situations, a drug may have a $5,000 price tag, but its cost of goods sold may only be $100. When such drugs run into price caps in various government programs, tariffs will mean big losses. In fact, the threat to the high margins is what will motivate the onshoring. But price caps create a different problem for low-margin generic drugs. Yes, the drug may only cost patients $4 for a 30-day supply, and a 25% tariff is only $1. But what if the profit on the drug is 40 cents? If the price cap limits price increases for a large enough market segment, the drug manufacturer will lose money. That means zero incentive for onshoring the drug, and more importantly, zero incentive for staying in the US market. Limited domestic capacity means drug shortages. Tariffs can work as an onshoring strategy if entry into the US market is both inexpensive and can occur quickly, but neither is true for prescription drugs. Having said all that, strengthening US drug supply chains is an important policy goal. The US government can and should be actively working against the economic forces that have been making our generic drug supply chains unreliable. But tariffs should not be the primary tool used in achieving that goal. Instead, they should be used selectively as a strategic supplement to other policies.